Fuck. Alright, so what are we doing here? We're doing fucking bike checks. Well, this is my bike. This giant sack of shit here. Okay, you know, goes down the height. I got a profile front hub, profile hub guards, Colt peg on one side, Odyssey on the other, the quadrant front rim, or fit tire in the front, the teal wall. I got an S&M Randy Brown frame, 20.75, a black headset spacer, a Fit Shiv 2 forks. Just cracked these forks like last week, so I just got a new pair of them. I got the Fit camo stem, the down low, whatever the fuck it's called. I got seasoned Zenith bars, ODI-O grips. Then we got the premium pedals. They fucking suck. The plastic ones in chrome. Profile no boss cranks. S&M L7 sprocket. Also spline drive. Got this fat premium seat. No idea what kind of seat post. I got it from a friend. And then I got Fit Faff teal wall in the back tire. I got G Sport hub. I don't know what kind of peg. Just a basic chain, Rite Aid, you know, the good shit. Just some standard spokes, and I think that's everything. Oh, and I got the G Sport back hub guard. And now I'm gonna go do a backflip.